Protect your outdoor furniture from rain, sun, and dust with the best covers available. In this video, we'll explore top-rated options to keep your patio sets, chairs, and tables in great condition year-round. Our channel brings you quality product reviews daily to help you make the best choices. Stay tuned, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to like the video. Number 1. Budge English Garden Large Patio Chair Covers. Patio chairs come in such a wide range of shapes and sizes, but this cover is helpful to fit just about any chair. The cover is constructed from heavy-duty polyester, making it incredibly durable to withstand a variety of elements. It is both UV-resistant and waterproof, with the waterproofing holding impressively at the double seams thanks to a solid-state welding process during manufacturing instead of stitching. The patio chair cover was easy to put on and proved effective after months of testing, including periods of thunderstorms with high winds and consistent rain. There are straps and clips to secure it in place on the legs of the furniture. Those straps help to keep it from blowing off in high winds, while also making for a proper fit for better protection. Number 2. Vailge Heavy Duty Patio Sofa Cover. Patio sofas are some of the most vulnerable pieces of outdoor furniture because of their large shape and soft material. This sofa cover comes in 6 different sizes and 2 colors, so you can find the best fit for your furniture. It is made from heavy-duty polyester, making it durable to last through all weather conditions. The material is waterproof, dustproof, and UV-resistant and put together with strong stitching. We found that even during rain and wind, the cover stayed in place and it kept the furniture dry. Through 6 months of testing in late fall and winter, we found that even with sun, rain, and wind, there has been no change in how well this cover performs. Because it has handles on each end, this sofa cover is easy to put on and pull off, with clasps at each corner for fastening. 2 extra ties on either end make it possible to tighten the bottom. However, it is not meant to cover sofa legs, so it may not be the ideal choice for patio furniture with wooden legs. Number 3. Alt Cover Rectangular Patio Table Cover. Protect the outdoor table where you enjoy many al fresco meals. This furniture cover is meant for rectangular or square tables and comes in 12 different sizes. It is made from waterproof polyester canvas with a double-stitched seam for long-lasting durability. When we first put the cover on, it was a bit loose, but was easily adjusted for a tight fit at each corner thanks to strong buckle straps and adjustable draw cords. There are also 2 air vents to help with breathability. We tested this table cover during a lot of rain, as well as falling leaves and debris from trees above, but didn't have any issues thanks to its waterproof exterior and clever design. It also comes with a 3-year warranty. There are wide padded handles make it easier to fit and remove. It can also be used for hanging and storage. With 2 fastening straps, it can help the cover fit perfectly and prevent the cover from being blown off in windy days. And with air vents design, reduce inside condensation and wind lofting. Number 3. Classic Accessories Veranda Patio Cushion and Cover Storage Bag. While protecting your outdoor furniture with a cover is important, outdoor cushions should be stowed away and protected in a storage bag. This storage bag comes in 3 different sizes to find the best fit for your outdoor cushions. We were surprised by just how much space there was to store multiple cushions with plenty of room left over. The padded handles also made it easy to move once filled. The bag is made from sturdy polyester, which is water-resistant, but not waterproof. Because of its material, it's best to store it under a covered space or in a garage, basement, or storage shed. The base is thicker, which provides additional protection if it's being stored on the ground. After 6 months of testing and storing outdoor cushions through winter, we found this cover storage bag to be in the same shape as it was originally. It was quick and easy to unzip and remove pillows to put them back in place. Number 5. Duck Covers Elegant Waterproof Patio Table and Chair Set Cover. To protect a big outdoor dining table and chair set, you'll need a large cover. This rectangular cover is designed to fit over either an oval or rectangular table. Made from polyester, it's waterproof and made with sealing tape for secure, well-made seams. We found that the fabric felt quite thick and strong. It was simple to put this cover on and use the straps and adjustable cords to secure it. During our testing, it kept outdoor furniture covered during rain, wind, and sunshine and didn't show any signs of moving or fading with no condensation underneath. Given its size, we did find that it's not very simple to fold up and store away when not in use, but that's to be expected. For a complete outdoor setting, check out our full range of products like accent pillows, hammocks, and cushions for both indoor and outdoor seating. We're all about that champagne lifestyle on a lemonade budget.